Hello, I'm doing Salesforce Administrator and Developer course from CRS Info Solutions. I'm really happy with the kind of training they provide because when I was looking for institute that offers Salesforce Administrator training, they offer, all of them I found similar, the kind of training they provide, but I was not able to decide which one is the best for me because I'm from non-IT background. I have been working as an executive assistant, and this is something new for me to understand. And I heard that there is some programming knowledge is required. I heard from my friends that for IT background people it becomes easy to learn Salesforce Administrator. So I was under pressure, like which institute would be best for me to take the training from. So with CRS Info Solutions, when I enrolled myself, initially they offered me free demo sessions, which actually helped me to decide whether I would like to really go ahead with CRS Info Solution or no. Because they give you the sample training, like the format of the training will be given to you. If it suits you, you can definitely go ahead. But in 3 sessions only, I was able to decide that no, this is the best institute that can offer me good Salesforce training, even though I am from non-IT background, because the way they were teaching was really amazing and it was easy for me to understand. So it was definitely a yes for me, and I enrolled myself not only for Salesforce Administrator, but I also enrolled myself for Salesforce Developer. So now coming to the point regarding the training of the CRS Info Solutions, they really offer best training. It is based on practical. They also give you industry knowledge. They give you examples of the current scenarios that are happening in the industry using Salesforce. So those examples also are given, mentioned during the training. They also give you assignments during the training. So that is kind of a practical knowledge also you get, because side by side on your computer you have to do, with the trainer they ask you to do assignments. So you have to perform them on your laptop. So it is like more of a practically he is teaching you, not only the theoretically. So this is the best thing which I like. The another thing I liked is, even if I miss the training, they have videos available, earlier videos, links are available. Also, not only the video every institute offer, but they also offer you notes which are written in quite proper format, and which makes it easy for you to understand. If I talk about non-IT people, those who are starting Salesforce newly with me, so for them also, like we don't have any experience in the industry, so we consider ourselves as a fresher. So as a fresher, it is a little difficult to get the job, but they help you in getting the job as they groom you. So overall training is definitely good, and you can definitely go ahead with CRS Info Solutions. As the name suggests, they have a solution for all your training